Hello, dear friends. How are you all? This is your astrological partner, Jagjit Jai के नाम से जाने जाने वाला. Today we are going to cover up Sun and the aspect of Sun on the houses and the signs. So, dear friends, as I've told you, this is very important for the people who are learning astrology, and they should know it by heart. So, without wasting any further time, let us move to the chapter of Sun and the aspects of Sun. Now, Sun in the first house is aspecting the seventh house. Likewise, you can see Sun is in the sign of Aries and it is aspecting the sign of Libra. Now, Sun is in the second house, aspecting the eighth house. So, you can see Sun is in the sign of Taurus, aspecting Scorpio. Now, Sun is in the third house, aspecting the ninth house. Sun is in the sign of Gemini, aspecting Sagittarius. If you can see, ninth sign is of Sagittarius and third sign is of Gemini. Now, Sun is in the fourth house, aspecting the 10th house. Sun is in the sign of Cancer, aspecting Capricorn. Now, Sun is in the 5th house, aspecting the 11th house. As you know, 5th sign is of Leo, aspecting 11th sign of Aquarius. Now, moving further, we have Sun in the sign of Virgo, aspecting Pisces. Sun is in the 6th house, aspecting the 12th house. Now, Sun is in the 7th house, aspecting the first house. Sun is in the sign of Libra, aspecting Aries. Now, Sun is in the 8th house, aspecting the second house. Scorpio, aspecting Taurus. 8th sign is of Scorpio, aspecting second sign of Taurus. Now, Sun is in the 9th house, aspecting the third house. Likewise, Sun is in the sign of Sagittarius and it is aspecting the sign of Gemini. Now, Sun is in the 10th house, aspecting the 4th house. Likewise, Sun is in the sign of Capricorn, aspecting the sign of Cancer. Now, Sun is in the 11th house, aspecting the 5th house. Sun is in the sign of Aquarius, aspecting the sign of Leo. Now, Sun is in the 12th house, aspecting the 6th house. Sun is in the sign of Pisces and it is aspecting the sign of Virgo. So, dear friends, as you know, in the earlier chapter also I have mentioned there is a mistake and you have to find out the mistake. I have not given the answer in the previous chapter, I am giving you in this chapter. The marking and everything is right, but instead of the houses, you can see from the 12th house, it is aspecting the 6th house, which is written wrong. Over here I have written the 7th house. And in the sign wise, I have written Libra. It is in the sign of Pisces, aspecting the sign of Virgo. It is not the sign of Libra. So, dear friends, as I have told you, this is very essential for the people who are learning astrology. We have to take care of the signs and the aspects. Be very, very careful about having the signs and the aspects, because this is very essential for the people who are learning astrology. They should know it with the closed eyes, by heart, in which sign it will aspect which sign. If anybody is making mistake, you should point it out then and there itself. You should be that much well versed with the aspects, especially because this is the place where most of the Andu Pandus and most of the Anga Panga Pandits, they try to play with the mind of people. So, dear friends, coming to the end of this chapter, like I told you in the previous chapter, and in this chapter the mistake is the same. It is 7, instead of the 7th house it should be the 6th house, and instead of the sign Libra it should be the sign Virgo. Dear friends, wishing you best of luck for the astrological school, for the astrological lessons, and hope you will learn more better than any other channel in this